Hey London, Ontario. I'm Rene, your local home hack guy from right here in southwestern Ontario. If your roof shingles are pushing 10 to 13 years old, you're probably sweating a $15,000 replacement. But hold up, with simple maintenance, you can squeeze 15, 20, or even 30 years out of them. Today, I'll share 8 battle tested tips to extend their life, including stuff that works in our wet, snowy climate. Stick around for local resources too. Let's save your wallet. Hit like and subscribe for more London home tips. Why shingles fail early? Asphalt shingles typically last 15 to 30 years, but in London, with our freeze-thaw cycles, humidity, and heavy snow, they brittle up fast from UV, moisture, and poor airflow. Granules wash off, cracks form, leaves, leaks start. The good news, 80% of early failures are preventable with routine care. No fancy tools needed, just consistency. Tip 1. Clean gutters twice a year. Number 1 killer. Clogged gutters, debris traps water, causing ice dams in winter and not. Tip. Clean them spring and fall. Use gloves, a ladder, and a shop vac. Pro move. Install gutter guards from Home Depot on Wonderland Road. This alone adds 5 years. Tip 2. Trim trees and clear debris, snow before and after trimming. Overhanging branches scrape shingles and block sun, breeding moss and algae, huge in our shady London yards. Trim branches 10 feet back. Sweep leaves weekly with a soft broom, no pressure washer. For moss, zinc strips at the ridge release anti-growth ions when it rains. Fix shingles ASAP. Missing or cutting shingles or curling shingles, dab roofing cement underneath and press down for quick fixes. Slide new ones under or heavy Henry shingle sealer from Canadian Tire on Clark Road. Catch it easy to stop leaks. Tip number 4. Boost attic ventilation. Poor attic airflow traps heat and moisture, baking shingles from below. Check vents aren't blocked by insulation. Add ridge or soffit vents if needed. Aim for fans in summer. This prevents 85% of heat damage. Tip number 5. Annual inspections. DIY inspect post-storm. Look for loose tabs, granules in gutters, or stains inside. In London, book Rydell Roofing or Roof Life for a free checkup. They do shingle rejuvenation sprays that store oils and add 5 years per treatment. Tip number 6. Rejuvenation treatments. Game changer. Soy-based sprays like Roof Life's Green Soy or Roof Max. They rehydrate brittle shingles, making them flexible against hail and temperature swings. Costs 80% less than replacement. Extends life 5 to 15 years with reapplies every 5 years. Local pros do it in a day. Bonus tips. Insulate attic to 12 to 16 inches for temp control. Clear snow gently in winter to avoid ice dams. choose algae resistant shingles next time. There you have it, London. Turn 13-year shingles into 20 plus with these steps. Try one of this this weekend. Comment your roof age below and check local spots like rooflife.ca or rydellroofing.ca. Grab my free checklist in the link, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next hack. Goodbye for now.